F-18 time! In the mean and in between time.
Take off flaps.
No, you can stay out. We're fine.
I want to watch you flying.
Oh, okay.
Okay, guys, let me put it down.
Where are you coming? Which way?
Right to the left.
Okay. You want us to stay where we are and you land ahead of us? Okay. It does a little bit. Looks like the pattern planes used to look like. I actually kind of like it, to be honest. The plane. I like it. Alright, Ram, we'll go behind you. I'll go right behind you.
Gear up, flaps up.
That looks cool.
Time remaining 3 minutes.
Where's Frankie? There's Frankie. Get on, Stanky.
That was a cool pass.
It was.
And coming down. Oh.
Whoa, the wind did something weird.
Yep.
That wasn't the turnaround I wanted, but it worked. Because it started to do the wiggle. Must have been an updraft there or something. It's formate. Okay, let me get on you. I'll get on your outside wing.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
Okay, there you are. So I'll be.
Go fast.
Yeah, I'll be close to S. Whoa. I don't know how you slowed down, but.
I want to do a really nice pass with the camera.
Okay, go.
That was cool right there. Alright.
So let me stay on your wing. So keep that turn going and I'll stay on your wing. Orientation's hard right here.
I know, I noticed that too.
Speed up a little bit. I'm good.
Time remaining 1 minute.
I got the right settings now.
Oh, how am I speeding up?
The wind. Because it's pushing me too. I think Rand's coming in. Very good.
Nice!
Just had to adjust.
What?
I just had to adjust.
Dude, that looked really
It started pushing us.
30 seconds.
That looked really
I agree.
Time remaining 23 seconds.
We could still be over. We'll be good. Whoa, whoa, whoa! I got pushed. Coming in though.
10, 9, 8,
That's some formation right there. Let's go up.
5, 4,
Oh,
the wind's weird.
Yeah, no, the wind's like,
It's like,
no,
no.
you're not doing that.
So I'm already on. Want me to wait for you?
No, go ahead.
So then when I get to the end of the runway, after the pass, I'm gonna pull out. So you can come with me. I'm climbing right now, and I'll wait. I'll wait. I'm coming back down now. That was weird. Ran's down. So let's do another pass. I'll slow down and wait for you. But then let's do it fast together. Go. Go. There's nobody up now, so we can turn and come back.
Whoa.
Yeah, wind.
1 minute over.
Going up. And then I'm going to wait for you and then turn back and go the other way. Oh, I fell off.
Timer over.
I gotta come in.
1 minute, 20 seconds.
Coming in right now.
Landing flaps.
Over a minute over.
Flaps up.
Whoa, what was that? Oh, be careful, be careful. Don't suck stuff up. What? Jesus. Almost.
No, my nose wheel is...
Ooh, A-10 going up.